Welcome to Smart Study for Career. In this video, I will teach you top 10 general knowledge MCQ based on capital of country. Question. What is the capital city of Canada? Answer is Ottawa. Question. What is the capital city of Chad? Answer is N'Djamena. Question. What is the capital city of Chile? Answer is Santiago. Question. What is the capital city of China? Answer is Beijing. Question. What is the capital city of Cape Verde? Answer is Praia. Question. What is the capital city of Central African Republic? Answer is Bangui. Question. What is the capital city of Colombia? Answer is Bogotá. Question. What is the capital city of Comoros? Answer is Moroni. Question. What is the capital city of Republic of the Congo? Answer is Brazzaville. Question. What is the capital city of Democratic Republic of the Congo? Answer is Kinshasa. Thanks for watching full video. Don't forget to subscribe. Also like and share please.